Welcome back. Full disclosure before we start, a company sent me this the other day, and funny enough, I was just off to Mexico, hence the t-shirt, and they sent me this Bite insect healer, and they asked me if you'd like to try it. I do get sent a few products now and again. Most of them I turn down, but I saw this, I thought, you know what, for some reason, one of those people that go on holiday, and I tend to get hassled by bugs. Some people don't get any bites at all, some people get loads. I tend to get loads, especially when I've been to places like Spain, Alcudia, Mexico and stuff like that. So they sent me this, I thought, you know what, let me try it out. I've left it a little while because I didn't realise it comes with 3 batteries, which is even better. It's an electronic insect bite healer. So no creams, safe as you like, and put it in your rucksack bag, take it camping, picnics, leave it in your car. Fantastic for holidays. So what we're going to do, unbox it, have a little look at it first. I'm going to try it out because I actually did last night, playing about with the pool in the garden. I did get a couple of little bites in my hand there, so I'm going to try it out and give it a go. And I think I read it comes with 2 AAA batteries, I do believe, in the box. So let's unbox it, have a little look, and give it a try. So let's get the box undone. It's got a little security tag on there, but it says passed. So that's passed quality control. So we'll take that off. As I said, I've not opened it yet, so it'll be the first time opening this. And give it a little go. It's got 2 modes on it apparently, adult mode, child mode. Instruction leaflet, you don't really need the instruction leaflet. Install the battery, pay attention to the positive and negative poles. Actually, first thing I notice is actually clear, you can actually read it, which makes a change. Click the power button. Right, okay, let's go. So, batteries there. I'll press that. Open the cover. Battery supplied, which is really handy. It is such a pain hunting for batteries. Oops, wrong way. There you go. Cover back on, like so. Now, what that don't normally read. Oh, big instruction manual there. Look, don't need that. I think you just need the quick start leaflet, don't you? Click the enable button to start the first gear, which is suitable for initial. That's for child, children. Or double click the enable button to start the second. Right, and there's another little bite there. So I'll hold it onto the bite with a ceramic plate. Double click it. I feel like getting hot. Actually, it's burning. Ow! God. Not a plain noise. Typical flying over. Done. And apparently you can do. It's actually. Yeah, it does feel better. As it says, quick relief from insect bites. And you can also, the insect bite healer is intended for relieving itching and swelling caused by insect bites or stings by applying heat, local hypothermia. Really simple to use, and it auto shuts off after a certain amount of time as well, so you can't go wrong with that. It's actually worked. It actually feels soother and smoother and bite free at the moment. So there you go. That is the insect bite healer. No creams, battery operated. You get 2 batteries in the packet already. Quite cheap. I'll put a link below, and that'll go straight to Amazon. It may be an affiliated link, and if you use that link, I may get a tiny commission, but you'll pay no more than the normal price anyway. Check it out, give it a little go, see what you think. Handy for camping, fishing, holidays, etc. Tuck in your handbag, man bag, or whatever. Rucksack. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again. Bye bye.